Android phone opening every PDF in the wrong app. I'll show you how to change your default PDF viewer so you can open every PDF in the app you actually prefer. The whole process only takes a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then scroll down and tap Apps. Inside Apps, find the PDF app that's currently opening your files. For example, if your PDFs always open in Files by Google, tap that app. Now tap Set as Default. Then tap Clear Default or Clear Defaults, depending on your Android device. This removes the app as the default PDF viewer. Next, go back to your Files app or File Manager. Find any PDF document and tap to open it. Since you've cleared the default app, Android will now ask which app you'd like to use. From the list of available apps, select the PDF viewer you want to use. For example, you can choose Google Drive, Adobe Acrobat, or any other PDF app installed on your phone. Then tap Always to make it your new default PDF viewer. If your PDF opens without showing the app selection menu, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Open With. Now choose the app you like to use for opening your PDF. Subscribe. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I post simple Android tips and quick tech tutorials to help you solve everyday problems faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.